Join me as I challenge myself to make the crispiest chips ever using a very simple and easy recipe. Anyway, in this video, you will learn an easy recipe to making crispy chips at home that will impress your friends and your family. It is no doubt that many people struggle with making chips that are crispy and not soggy. Let's tackle this common kitchen challenge together. Now you've seen the essential steps to ensure your chips, that is your french fries, turn out as crispy every time so that you can enjoy them at home. And that is that. Well, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to check out my other videos and share your chip making experiences in the comments below. Till next time, bye.